Python programming language, best resources for developers and managers. This PDF downloads essential resources for beginners and experienced programmers who want to learn Python, and for managers hiring Python developers. Okay, let's start. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world because it can be used in a variety of ways. Python is ideal for junior developers and large-scale applications alike. Whether you're just learning to program or you are a seasoned developer, these Tech Republic PDF ebooks, which include a profile of Python creator guide, Rossum, as well as Python tips and resources, will provide plenty of helpful information. There is also a Python developer hiring kit from Tech Republic Premium that managers will find useful. Python programming language, a cheat sheet. With over 8.2 million developers using Python, the popularity of the Python programming language cannot be denied. Since the first release in 1990, Python has gained public support in academic and business, being used extensively in artificial intelligence and machine learning, serving as underpinning of OpenStack, as well as powering the cloud file storage service Dropbox. This extensibility makes Python an excellent programming language for junior developers to get started with, but also one that remains applicable at scale, as Python is used extensively for real-world applications. This free PDF download includes a description of Python, why Python is a good choice for projects, how Python compares to other programming languages, the differences between Python 2 and Python 3, how to get started using Python, as well as additional resources. Getting started with Python, a list of free resources. If you want to learn a programming language, Python might be a good place to start. The versatile language is not only used in a wide range of roles, ranging from web developers to sysadmins, DevOps, but also in highly paid data science jobs. But where to get started if you want to learn Python? This Tech Republic PDF download includes free books, websites, tutorial videos, and online courses to help beginners and experienced programmers learn more about the Python programming language. Python is eating the world. How one developer's side project became the hottest programming language on the planet. To date, enthusiasm for Python has spread far beyond the initial circle of developers, and some are predicting it will soon become the most popular programming language in the world. As it continues to add new users faster than any other language, millions of people use Python each day, with exponential growth in users showing little sign of tailing off. This cover story is an in-depth look at the Python creator guide of Rossum and the journey that led him to create one of the world's most used programming languages. The long-form profile also examines the way Python has been shaped over the years and the way it is headed in the future. Hiring kit Python developer. Python can support multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, imperative, functional programming, and procedural styles. Because of this language versatility, the skills, specializations, and experience of Python developers tends to vary considerably. The search for candidates for a Python developer position needs to be as project-specific as possible. Narrowing a search to candidates with a specific experience in coding and developing applications similar to your project will save time and eliminate mismatches. However, because the code is designed to be highly readable, all candidates should be able to write a code that is clear, clean, and concise with the proper indentions, and delineated code blocks. This Tech Republic Premium hiring kit includes a general job description, some point of view questions, and a basic want and added to help you determine who is right for the job.